Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Porsche of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2024 Porsche Cayenne S Coupe. So I did do the 2024 Cayenne with the base model. I got a bunch of comments asking to do the S. Well, now I have an S and it's a coupe. This one, it looks to be perhaps a press car. That would be kind of cool if it was. PCA NA, which means Porsche Corporate North America. So this car was Porsche's originally. It does have PPF on the front, just noticed. Pretty darn cool. Montego blue, leather interior and black and chalk, trailer hitch without the tow ball, air quality system, heated steering wheel, rear comfort seats, soft closed doors, premium package plus, for a total original sticker price of $117,910. Pretty darn, ooh, panoramic roof, all one pane of glass. It does sound really, really good. Montego blue, Montego, one of you guys is gonna comment and tell me exactly how to pronounce it, is a new color for 24. This one has, so the S now has the V8, which is really, really cool. This one, a 4-liter twin turbo V8, which Porsche 4 liters are really, really well known. Typically they're H6, not V8. 468 horsepower, 442 pound-feet of torque. So this thing will get out of its own way just fine. Obviously for 24, do have some exterior tweaks, but the biggest is the interior. This new display is absolutely awesome. Do have sport chrono, do have full gauge cluster here, and you can go full map like that. There we go, that's what I was looking for. Typical 5 gauge cluster is something you would find in the 911. You can have here in your Cayenne. Into normal drive. We are in sport mode. You do have sport response, push the middle of the drive mode, and it puts you down into sport response mode. Which I can do here. Thing absolutely flies, and it sounds really, really good. Red line just above 7,000 RPM, coming from somebody who used to own a Hellcat, where red line was 6,250. Something so nice about a high revving V8. I'm so impressed with this thing. And it's so weird, I can't reveal what I bought yet, because I don't know when that video is gonna go live. I might have it before this, I might have this before that. I just don't know. What I can say is, from my experience with Porsche, this drives like a Porsche should. Yes, it is heavier than a Boxster. It is heavier than a 911. It is much bigger than both those cars. But it still, you still feel the Porsche DNA in this car. It still feels nimble. It still feels like a Porsche should. And you have so much power under your foot. It's just a really good car. It genuinely is. It's genuinely an awesome car. I haven't driven in Sport Plus. Alright, so unlike the Boxsters and Caymans, where Sport increases idle, that happens in Sport Plus on these. That sounds good. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.